Hello nail friends, and welcome back to Easy Nails. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to create a super easy, bougie, gorgeous press-on nail set. We are going to do a Chanel press-on nail set. We are going to be using black and white polish, and I'm going to be testing out a new transfer foil gel by Imethod Beauty. So here I'm going in with some black from Beetles, and I'm going in with some white, and it's okay if your lines are not perfect here. Just make sure that you want to get them as close as you can, right? But not to touch each other, because you don't want to mess up your gel polish. But if that happens, you guys, no worries. Take lint-free wipe and you can wipe it right off. And then this super cool design, you guys, I'm loving this technique. You basically just take a liner brush into that wet gel and you swirl right through those two colors together, and the effect comes out super, super cool, and it's super easy to do. So highly recommend that design. You can do it with any gel, just make sure you do it before you cure it. So here I'm going in with this Imethod foil gel, and I painted the other nails white and black, you guys, cured those. And then I'm going in with this transfer foil gel, painting a nice coat. When you're using transfer foil gels, you guys, apply like a medium to thick coat. You don't want it to be falling off the nail, but you want enough on there. So make sure you have a really, really nice thick coat on there. Then you're gonna cure it in your UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. And this transfer foil, you guys, is a gorgeous Chanel transfer foil. I got this one from AliExpress with a bunch of other transfer foils. And you're gonna be taking your transfer foil now, super important, you guys. I found this out the hard way, but you want your transfer foil to be the design side up. So make sure that the side with the design is always up. And then you're basically gonna lie it onto your nail and press that into your nail. You guys can also use a silicone tool here or your finger, but you really wanna take your finger or the silicone tool and just rub that into the nail. Make sure you're applying nice pressure here. And you guys, I usually do not have the best luck with transfer foils, even though I love them. And I was super impressed by this Imethod Beauty foil gel. The foil transfer came off great. I only had to do it one time. So I highly recommend this one. I got it from Amazon, and I will leave the link down below for you guys. And if you guys would like to test out this product for free, I will leave the person that I got it from on Instagram so you guys can review it too. So just press this into the nail, and you guys can see that flawless foil transfer. Yes, I was super happy with this. The nails are coming out super gorgeous and classy Chanel nails. Love these press-on nails, absolutely up my alley, gorgeous. I was living for this design, and I just decided to spice it up a little bit with some crystal bows here. So I'm applying some hard gel. This is the NSI hard gel. I'm applying a little bit of that, and if you guys just want to go in with this, place your nail decor on, cure it, and then go in with top gel, you can, or you can go in with a thick coat of your top gel right on top of this and cure that all in the lamp. So I have these beautiful crystal bows here. I don't remember exactly where I got them, but I will link them down below for you guys. And you guys, if you guys are not subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel. I review tons of affordable nail products. I show you how to get gorgeous, affordable, and beautiful nails all from the comfort of your home. Comment down below, you guys. Tell me what you think about this look. I absolutely love it. These nails came out beautiful, super classy Chanel look. I really enjoyed it, and I can't believe how beautiful that ring finger came out. It was super easy to just use a liner brush. You can also use a dotting tool and just swirl those two colors together. Absolutely gorgeous, and the transfer came out great. Super smooth transfer. So these are little crystal and pearl bows. They have little crystal and pearls in them. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna top off everything with a top gloss. And to apply these, you guys, you can use poly gel, you can use acrylic, you can use builder gel. As long as you prep and prime your nails correctly, they will last you. So I highly recommend you guys give these a shot. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in the next one.